The NutriBullet NBY 50100 NutriBullet Baby is the classic, start here, baby blender system for parents who already trust NutriBullet's brand. This kit isn't just a blender. It's a full food making and storage system. The official NutriBullet product page and the listing show the typical bundle: a 200-watt motor base, a 32 ounces batch ball, a 12 ounces cup with handles, storage cups with datering lids, a silicone freezer tray and a recipe guide. Basically everything you need to move from pureeing one banana to prepping week-long meals. The NutriBullet site lists an MSRP around $69.99 on its store. Prices can vary by retailer, while shows it as an S-choice. With thousands of purchases in recent weeks, that's a good indicator people are buying and trusting this system right now. As always, check the buy link in the description for the exact live price. We share buy links in description box. So what's the vibe after skimming user feedback and specs? Pros: the unit is familiar, simple, no fuss blade tech that purees smoothly. The storage accessories are a huge deal because they let you portion and freeze easily. And everything important is dishwasher safe. Parents often praise the small batch capability. It's easy to make just enough so food is fresh. Cons: the motor is modest, 200 watts, so if you are looking to blitz frozen hard veggies or larger, adult-style chunks, you'll notice the limits. Some users prefer more powerful processors for tougher ingredients. Also, while NutriBullet's system is excellent for purees and storage, it doesn't steam on its own. You'll need a steamer or to pre-cook veggies before blending. NutriBullet focuses on blending plus storage rather than integrated steam cook functionality. User reviews emphasize the simplicity and the storage accessories as the real win here.